Welcome to our YouTube channel, The BIM World. Today we are making video on building information modeling and where it is used. So let's get started. BIM is a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a building. It is a powerful tool that is used in the design, construction, and operation of buildings. BIM is used in a variety of industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, and facility management. In architecture, BIM is used to create detailed models of buildings that include information about the design, materials, and construction processes. This allows architects to easily visualize and modify their designs, and to collaborate with other members of the design team. In engineering, BIM is used to create detailed models of building systems, such as mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. This allows engineers to easily visualize and analyze the performance of these systems, and to detect and resolve conflicts between different systems. In construction, BIM is used to create detailed models of the building and its components, which allows contractors to easily visualize and plan the construction process. It also allows them to detect and resolve issues before they occur on the site, which can save time and money. In facility management, BIM is used to create detailed models of the building's systems and components, which allows facility managers to easily understand how the building works and how to maintain it. Thanks for watching our video on BIM and where it is used. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about BIM, please visit our YouTube channel.